Have you ever yawned just because you saw someone else do it? Why does this happen? Is yawning contagious, or is there something more to it? Even animals and fictional characters can trigger our yawns. But what's really going on? Here, can you resist yawning while watching this? Contagious yawning is a well-known phenomenon, yet we still don't fully understand why it happens. Scientists have studied it for years, linking it to human behavior and social connections. But what makes us yawn when we see others do it? Let's explore what makes yawning so mysteriously contagious. Despite how common contagious yawning is, there is no definitive answer as to why it occurs. Is it a form of subconscious communication, a relic of our evolutionary past, or is it something even more mysterious? Some researchers believe it's linked to empathy and social bonding, while others argue it could serve a biological function. So, what's the real reason? Could this be something we've inherited from our ancestors? One leading theory is that yawning helps us connect socially. Studies show we are more likely to yawn when a close friend or family member does. Another theory suggests yawning helps regulate brain temperature, preventing overheating. Could it be both? Could contagious yawning be a way for groups to sync up and stay alert together? What if our brains are wired to respond to yawns as a signal? Recent studies have shown that contagious yawning is linked to the parts of the brain responsible for empathy and social awareness. This suggests that yawning could be a subconscious way of showing connection and synchronization within a group, just like laughter or mimicry. This could mean that yawning is more than just a reflex. It might be a powerful social tool. Has contagious yawning helped humans strengthen social bonds through history? So, while we may not have all the answers, contagious yawning tells us something fascinating about human nature. It's a sign of empathy, a social glue, and possibly even a way to cool our brains. Did you yawn while watching this video? Have you yawned while watching this? Let us know in the comments. And if you're curious about other subconscious behaviors, check out our next video on how laughter spreads just like yawns.